and welcome to probability and relative frequency. So let's have a look at the first question and find out how to do this question. So the probability that a biased dice will land on a 6 is 0.3 times. The dice is going to be rolled 200 times though. Work out an estimate for the number of times the dice will land on 6, then choose the correct option. So in this case, we know that the dice is actually going to land on 6, but it's going to be rolled 200 times. So we need to estimate how many times it's going to land on 6. And the bias is 0.3. So how do we actually work this out? So let's take 0.3 and multiply it by 200 times. And the reason we multiply it by 200 times is because this is the number of times you're going to roll the dice, whereas the bias is here, 0.3. Okay, so all we do is we do 0.3 times 200, and that gives us roughly 60. So that means that our estimate is that this particular dice is going to hopefully land on 6 60 times. So when you're working out the probability or relative frequency, you use a very similar working out method that I've just shown you now. Okay, and do have a read of the particular image. It will give you more information, an example of how to work these questions out. And good luck, and we'll catch up with you in our next lesson. Thank you.